Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools. Make sure VS Code and the mobile extension for your framework are installed. Once done, install Android Studio for the SDK and AVD Manager. You need CPU virtualization enabled in BIOS for performance. Next, open AVD Manager and create a virtual device, pick a device profile and a system image, then create and start the emulator. This gets the emulator running, so VS Code can discover it when you connect your project. Now you configure paths and connectivity, so VS Code talks to the emulator. Add platform tools to your path, so a DB and emulator are usable from a terminal. That enables commands like a DB devices and emulator listavs. In VS Code, install and enable the emulator or device picker extension for quick selection. Make sure to register the AVD name and confirm it appears in a DB devices when running. This avoids device discovery problems and lets you launch or attach directly from the editor. Finally, connect VS Code to the running emulator. Choose the device in the status bar or configure launch. JSON and hit run or debug. Use hot reload or hot restart for quick code iteration. When finished, close the emulator from AVD Manager or via the emulator window. If the emulator doesn't show up, restart the DB server with a DB kill server and a DB start server. Verify virtualization, HAXM or WHPX, is enabled, and double-check platform tools are on path. Those steps usually resolve common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.